Hi, and today I'm going to be showing you something that I've grown up eating so many times. It is an East Indian paya. This is going to be cooked in a cooker, a little oil. That's little according to me. It's all about perspective. Ginger and garlic. These chilies are from my garden. I thought I liked 7, but I actually like 2. Put the flame on a low flame so that it just browns up beautifully. Onions, a little salt. I have about half a dozen of trotters, a teaspoon of garam masala. Let's just go for the gold. 2 teaspoons of East Indian bottle masala. So if you want to make a version of East Indian bottle masala, you will find the recipe in my book From My Kitchen to Yours. 3 tomatoes, chopped. So it is now about 10 minutes and the tomato has broken down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the trotters now. So I'm going to cook this now open for about 10 minutes. So this has been cooking for a good 7 minutes now. I put 2.5 cups of water into this. Now I'm going to close this cooker. Then I'm going to cook it for 40 more minutes after that. It is so good! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so hot. It's so good. You have to try this East Indian paya.